Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 24 on your laptop with a controller. First, make sure your controller is ready to go. Connect it to your laptop using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Some controllers might need specific drivers, so install those if prompted. This ensures your system recognizes the device properly before you launch the game. Once your controller is connected, open FIFA 24. Head into the Game Settings menu. Look for the Controller or Input section to confirm your device is detected. Here, you can personalize your button layout and adjust sensitivity. This step is crucial for a comfortable and responsive gaming experience tailored to your playstyle. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, imagine playing FIFA 24 with amazing sound. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for game audio or your favorite tunes. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Sometimes, you might encounter issues. If your controller isn't working, try restarting both your laptop and the controller. Ensure all firmware and operating system updates are installed. If problems continue, search online forums for solutions specific to your controller or game version. Many common issues have quick fixes available. To get the best FIFA 24 experience, optimize your laptop's performance. Close any applications running in the background to free up system resources. Adjust the game's graphics settings to find a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Also, set your laptop's power plan to high performance for maximum gaming power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.